Hi guys. I really did not want to report about this. I don't want to lie, but I feel like since people are talking about it, might as well, guys. So here is basically the overall, just a summary of what's happening with Chima Shekho. He is allegedly accusing DJ Maporisha of witchcraft. Allegedly, DJ Maporisha took him to Nigeria for a ritual, and then the ritual did not finish because Yenungabile to sleep with him. It's alleged that, according to Jima Sheho, he's saying that Uma Porisa does rituals with um the people that he grooms in the industry, the music industry. That's why he's always the first person to be seen with upcoming artist. You know, when you're an upcoming artist, he's always the first to jump up and adopt you and show you the ropes. He's always like the recruitment in charge of inducting youngings into the Mapiano Hall of Fame, allegedly. So Uji Masheho basically got famous through his hit Biri Marung. And upon him being famous, or that song getting fame, DJ Maporisha, apparently he worked with him on that song, and Utsuji Masheko hasn't gotten anything for that song, even though it's done millions on streaming platforms, right? That's number one. And into Mkhalisa Uchi Masheko, he says that Umaporit and the Scorpion Kings went to Nigeria to perform a satanic ritual that includes him, DJ Maporisha, sleeping with boys in order to get imali and everlasting fame, allegedly. And he was crying on the live saying Bamshia Nigeria because Najima Shekho did not want to partake in those rituals. And since he's been back, he's been scared to shower, he's been scared to bath because he's afraid that somebody in his family will die. Because allegedly, he says with somebody ritual, some of the rules were that if you bath after doing the rituals, someone in your family will die and there will be a sacrifice. So yeah, apparently they left him. That and the fact that he's saying that Abompura and all of the artists that passed on here in South Africa under suspicious reasons, they're living in Nigeria and they're local artists in Nigeria. So just like Twebula, and he's putting all of these claims on DJ Maporisa allegedly, and Utinje Uyena or Illuminati, and he's grooming boys like Abo Shebeshit, allegedly grooming boys like Abo Scott Mapuma. He's allegedly sleeping with them too in order for them to get everlasting fame. And Jongo Banjibe famous, it's not their doing, it's not their talent, it's the fact that they went to go and do that ritual in Nigeria. So I don't know how true that is, but guys, we all know that Nigeria is infamous for ritualistic um type things, and I would not be surprised. Like it's almost as if like Nigeria, Haiti, and Jamaica are like the African capital of the world as far as witchcraft is concerned, and also Mozambique. So I'm Angtogi, but futhi angiphiki angivumi angazi. I'm just telling you guys what this guy is saying, and people throughout the whole life, guys, he was so hysterical and crying. People were saying he was raped. They're saying because he keeps on saying he saw a lot in Nigeria. He saw so much in Nigeria. But when they ask him, what did you see in Nigeria? Akasho ukuthi ubonile in Nigeria. So it's like, so okay, if ungasho ukuthi ubonile in Nigeria, like, because the minute he talks about what he saw, he just starts hysterically crying. Like, he starts hysterically crying. Like, uyakhala, uyabona ukuthi into ayibonile inkulu. So nje, and he says ukuthi 80% of these boys in the media industry bathwele ngenyoka, banenyoka, yeah. And ke ukuthi uShorty was interviewed by Tachi on Open. No, what's that I forgot, but on the podcast, yeah, Tachi and Fiso, two shots who Chimashako was alleging the Two Shots told him all of those things. Ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani, like the ritualistic happenings happening. Uyabona nje ukuthi lento le ngathi ayihlangani. Once uvela utshela Two Shots okunye futhi ukubonile kwenzeka. Hey, angisazi mina uvela ungazi ukuthi, you know, because even that guy, this other guy, I think his name is Young Stunner. He came out and was like, now we need to show our girlfriends just to prove we're gay. We're not gay. I'm not going to show my girlfriend just to prove that I'm not gay. You know? And then, like, nje, because what come on my police as Uchi Mashego. They arrested him because allegedly he is arrested for defamation of character. That's other people are saying. Others are alleging to know he's put in a mental institution. So I mean, my thing is, if he's put in a mental institution, why land my police? Why land my police to go to a mental institution? No, I will help if you my police land when you're going to a mental. I don't know, but just overall, Chima Shako is making serious allegations about Maporisha. Maporisha hasn't said anything. He hasn't denied. He hasn't what's this word? But people are saying, why are they trying so hard to silence this boy if it's not the truth? And yet ababizwa ngamapolisa when ama influencers were basically being used as syndicates of human trafficking, something more serious and something that's more prevalent as a crime within the South African context. You know, why umuntu meyikhulumela nje if uhlanya ngempela, why because uhlanya phela now, why ethuliswa, why inenze ukuthi athuliswe? And that's very suspicious. Why funa athuliswe? You know, I don't know, but my prayers are with him, Shem. Yo, whatever he saw, because he's still a child, he's still a baby, he looks young. Boma 18 to 19. I don't think it's even 20. Looks like a baby who's talented and street savvy. Unfortunately, met the wrong people. You know, thing is, what do you guys think? Do you think there's any truth to what he's saying? Tell me in the comment section. Alternatively, please subscribe if you agree with me or like this video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.